Alright, those girls, welcome to Going Guitar, Charlotte Lawrence. That is the first time here in Going Guitar, pretty sure about that. She definitely deserves some attention. I haven't heard about her that much before, but I came across this song called Dog, and that is also probably one of my favorite animals ever. So yeah, she had to be here with her song. So anyway, let's go into this tutorial and learn the chords. We have 5 chords, no need for any capo here, as you can see, and let's start with G. G goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord will be the D F. That is basically a D chord, but with this F sharp note in the bass. So we have 2nd E, open A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. We have E minor as well, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the D as well, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E, and the final chord will be A. And A goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Okay, so let's start with the first verse and learn the strumming. The strumming is about 4 downs, and I play like this. So I try to emphasize the 3rd down out of these 4. So I play on the bass strings for all the downs, except from the the 3rd down. So 3rd down, I go down on the high strings, and then on the last I go back to bass again. So it will be bass, bass, top bass. So one round is 4 downs, like that, okay? So let's start with the song and the first verse. You're gonna play G 2 string rounds, then the D F 2 string rounds, E minor 2, and then back to D F 2. That is one chord progression. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. So 2 string rounds per chord, G, D F, E minor, D F, like this. Again. Alright, so there you have the first verse. Then comes the pre-chorus. It comes about 7 or 8 seconds into the song in the lyrics, and I think I love you still. What you're gonna do there is to play the same chords almost, but just 1 down per chord. So you're gonna play G and pause, and then D F and pause, and then E minor. A big pause after that. The value of these pauses, the length of it, is as if you would play G 2 string rounds, then D F 2 and E minor 4. So down, down, and down, and a big pause on E minor, 3, 4, and then comes the next part, which is the chorus. Okay, so you're gonna play for only this 1 round. If you want to, if it's easier for you to practice this, then you can actually play the strumming G2, DF2, and E minor 4. With that, you will learn how long the pauses will be, or actually just stay with the strumming and go with that as well. It works both perfectly well there, so it's up to you. That is a pre-chorus. Now into the chorus, Face of a Fool. That's perhaps not my face, so that's where we are in the lyrics, and it comes about 37 seconds in. Anyway, let's play the strumming now, and you're gonna play G4, D3, and A1. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, and after that comes the post-chorus part. I don't wanna whatever in the lyrics, I don't wanna. That's the post-chorus part, and you're just gonna continue with that chorus play for another 2 rounds. So total chorus and post-chorus part will be for 4 rounds. Let's do 2 rounds together. G4, D3, and A1, like this. Alright, so after you play that comes an instrumental part where you're gonna stay on the G chord and play 2 string rounds. So, and then starts the second round of everything here. And from now on, there are pretty much no news. You know all the ingredients now. Let's just go through the song. The second verse is played exactly in the same way as the first one. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. No changes there at all, and also of course the second post-chorus part. After that second post-chorus part, you have the bridge. It starts about 2 minutes and 20 seconds in. What you're going to do here is to continue with the chorus play for another 2 rounds. Then after that comes the third chorus, again played in the same way as the previous choruses, no changes there for 2 rounds. And then you have the post-chorus part number 3 for 2 rounds as well. And that will be the end of Charlotte Lawrence song called Dog. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Very simple song, 5 simple chords, no need for any capo, just pretty straightforward, and that's it. Hope you liked it. Until next time, play tuned.